Whoa, 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 whoa. Hello there. Wait, so echo. Ooh, I am a ghost. Alex. 6, 7. You join me again, as I'm going to work on a car that's very close to my heart. I do like these, and very close to a lot of people's hearts. It's a little baby Mini. Oh, look at it. And it's not green, it's blue, which is weird, isn't it? And so yes, join me as I open the bonnet and have a fiddle. So today's task on this little thing is changing this rather decrepit fan belt. Now then, if I remember rightly, you can do this just by squishing this bit in, which is a technical term for moving the alternator. Is it a dynamo, this? It looks like a dynamo. And then you can get the belt around the fan blades, over that pulley, and then back over this bit. Now, sure, I did this on my Mini, but obviously my Mini was a bit newer than this one. But look how nice it is. Look how nice it is. Little Morris Mini. Oh, it makes you sad that cars aren't like this anymore. Like the more modern Mini, it's nice enough, but it's not a Mini, is it? It's anything but a Mini. It's a biggie these days. A biggie. Right, so let's crack on. It's nice when cars were like this, when things were screwed together rather than clipped in with daft little clips that once you unclip them once, they snap and never clip in right. That kind of thing was reserved only for the chrome strips across the side. I apologise, Mini, I'm getting oil all over your grill. I'm going to have to give your face a wash. What a lovely, quiet, peaceful place to be faffing with cars. Come on, screw. Face exposed. 6,
I
7.
bet there was about 6, 7 screws just to go.
Oh, they're about 14.
6, 7.
So, the way I do this is undo the adjuster, fold that out of the way, and then you can unwrap this round fan. Yeah.
Some top nuts and bolts that hold the dynamo on as well.
6, 7. Massive knockers. It's dirt. Yeah, I know. Gross! In a good way. First thing we're going to do is loosen off that adjuster. So it'll slide there, and then loosen off these so we can swing the dynamo back in, and then we can hopefully unfold the fan belt from all the gubbins. So let's have a look. Hello.
These nuts.
You're nuts.
Do you want a needle, Matt?
No, thank you.
Put your pads on. It's weird.
And my name's not Matt. Swing your hips from side to side. Come on, everybody, let's do the Mario. Do 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 do. Do 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 do.
You're filming this?
I'm filming
I
this.
thought the camera was off.
No, it's over there.
My bad.
You're bad.
I'm bad. I'm bad. You know it.
Although I'm pretty sure it should be the other way around this. Yeah, I thought the slidey bit was supposed to be at front. Look, it's gone all floppy, missus. So now we should be able to unhook the fan belt from all that gubbins, put the new one on. When we've checked it's the right size, pull the adjuster back up, tighten it all up, and it should be good, apart from I've not put grill back on, and then I need to wipe all this oil off. have evacuated the fan belt from its house, and it's not before time either. Look how shitty that is. Oh my days! That wouldn't have lasted getting out of the garage, I swear. Right then, let's get new one on, which is far nicer. That looks proper old, that one. Proper old. Look how fucked that is.
I know.
Proper fact.
It's hanging on by a thread.
Are you doing tappets? Clutch? Oh, you're doing that clutch alignment thing. That stop thing.
I wound it out the other day because it was right tight.
Was it?
Yeah.
Phew.
But it still didn't work, so I think the clutch needs bleeding. But I'm gonna try doing this.
Mr. Delulo. It's the awkward bit, is re-threading it past the fan blade.
Have you got a 7/16?
I have. There must be some sort of built-in what's going on here? How have I?
What are you doing?
Oh, I've wrapped it around. Oh no, I ain't. There we go. Built-in memory from passed down from my dad to me. What did you say? 7/16? No, I haven't. No, I've got 9/16. Because I picked up both spanners, and
You knew they were the right size.
I knew they were the right ones. I picked up 2 1/2 inches, which I knew I needed, and a 9/16.
Wow. You just knew.
I'm destined to have another mini, aren't I? Come on now, little belt. So I'm just getting it round the engine pulley. At the bottom, it seems to be caught on something. I'm not sure what it is. Oh, there we go.
Snag.
No, smeg head. Do 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 do. Oh no, that's Black Beauty, isn't it? That's Black Beauty. Well, I couldn't see any pinhole type stuff on them. Like it all looked fairly shiny.
It did. And those springs look new. Oh, it should be 20. Dash. Sounds like Capri might be back.
It's always important to tighten your nuts.
These nuts.
If you don't tighten your nuts, you could run into all sorts of problems in later life. Let's just nip them up. In fact, just double check. Seems all right to me, that. So yes, so it's just a case of just nipping everything up, make sure it's all done, putting front back on. Job's a good one. Nice.